Anytime now, race number 4, and the race is on. Danny Pantong, fast to begin, rushing up is Jade and Diamond. Easter Hope down on the inside, Golden Range rushing up by the rally's Nerves of Steel, and Wow West is running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Danny Pantong by some 3 lengths, Jade and Diamond. Easter Hope running down on the inside is Nerves of Steel. Last 450, Danny Pantong, Jade and Diamond, Nerves of Steel. As the action swing towards the final corner, Danny Pantong, Nerves of Steel, Jade and Diamond from the outside. Last 200 meters more to run, Danny Pantong, Jade and Diamond, Nerves of Steel. But still Danny Pantong, Jade and Diamond moves up. And finally, Jade and Diamond, Danny Pantong, Nerves of Steel, Wow West, Easter Hope, and Golden Range comes last.